Are you looking for a clever backup solution? While conventional networks usually consist of many different components, sayTEC combines the advantages of a backup server, backup to disk, and backup to tape in one single device, the sayFUSE Backup. You therefore get a complete solution for hard disk-based data security, restoring and moving, a solution which combines the advantages of the media handling of tape library systems with the advantages of hard disk-based security solutions. And what does that mean for you? Data recovery at the touch of a button. Your company's data is located quickly and reliably and can be restored in a matter of seconds. Delays caused by rewinding, starting, and stopping, like you get with tapes, are a thing of the past with this function. Investment in the future. As standard, sayFUSE Backup contains 12 removable media devices, each with a capacity of 12 terabytes. By adding a capacity module, the number of media slots can be extended at any time. As soon as larger hard disks become available, these can also be used without any problems. Another advantage of hard disks, the wear of the write and read heads that occurs with tapes is completely eliminated. You save on space, costs, and your nerves. Space because it has dimensions of just 180 by 425 by 675 millimeters, and yet includes 12 removable media devices. It is therefore one of the most compact systems on the market. Costs? Because instead of accruing purchase and operating costs 3 times, these are only accrued once. And electricity costs are also significantly reduced. Nerves, because you can rely on this system. Thanks to the fully automated control of the media and how easy it is to manage this system, you do not have to worry about handling the system properly. Simply clever. sayFUSE Backup, the solution for solutions, from sayTEC.